Hey there, today I'll tell you how to put a Gamestop gift card on the Gamestop app. First, download the Gamestop app and make sure you have the latest version of the Gamestop app installed on your mobile device. You can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. If you don't have a Gamestop account, you will need to create one. If you already have an account, sign in using in with your credentials. Then open the Gamestop app and look for the section related to your account or profile. This may labeled as wallet or something similar. With your account section, there should be an option to add or manage gift cards. Choose these options. Enter the required information from your Gamestop gift card. This typically includes the gift card number and PIN. You can find this information on the physical card or in the email if it's in e-gift card. Review the entered information to ensure accuracy. Once verified, confirm the addition of the gift card to your Gamestop account. After adding the gift card, you may want to check the card balance to ensure it reflects the correct amount. And that's it. That's how you can put a Gamestop gift card on the Gamestop app. Thank you for watching.